This video is intended to be a guideline for proper installation techniques using Tarkett products. For complete details, refer to the complete installation instructions for the product. Tarkett offers many solutions for a wide variety of job site conditions. Additionally, Tarkett adhesives are formulated specifically for Tarkett products and are guaranteed as part of the system warranty to adhere to approved substrates when applied according to our recommendations. Many Tarkett adhesives require a different size trowel, different open time, and can exhibit a different ready state depending on whether the substrate is porous or non-porous. Before installing any Tarkett product or applying any Tarkett adhesive, determining the substrate porosity is the first step. Follow the guidelines of ASTM F3191 to determine the porosity of the substrate. Make sure the substrate is prepared in accordance with the requirements outlined in the Tarkett installation instructions for the applicable product. Using potable water from a height of no more than 1/2 inch, place a single drop on the surface of the substrate. Observe the drop and record the amount of time required for the drop to absorb completely into the substrate. If the length of time for the drop to completely absorb is less than or equal to 1 minute, the substrate will be considered porous. If the droplet does not absorb within 1 minute and appears to remain beaded on the surface, the substrate should be considered non-porous. Remember, determining the substrate porosity is the first step before installing any Tarkett product or applying any Tarkett adhesive.